Okay. Kishore, can you please check with Akash whether he is going to join or not?
Yes, sir. He's joining due to heavy rain. He was facing issue, but he's joining.
He will join, no?
Yeah, yeah.
Shall I wait for him or shall I start?
Uh, you can start, sir. He will join in 1 or 2 minutes.
Okay. Anyhow, Suchita is not going to join. She will join after 2 days because she is some stuck up in some activity. Okay, no problem. We'll start. Okay. Once again, good evening to all. So hope last sessions we had like discussed about the introduction to ERP and the ERP products and the SAP, how SAP journey started, and we saw various functional modules and how each and every functional module will be applicable in the business process, right? And we have taken the business process as a Good Day Biscuit Manufacturing Company as an example, and we have saw various process, right? Starting from raw material requirement to till the end of the customer delivery, right? Till delivering to customer, and parallelly we obtain the payment from the customer also, right? So that was the brief like overview about the introduction part and the ERP part and the SAP part. Today we are going to see the SAP basics, how we can log into the system. 1 minute. Let me share my screen. Let me know once you are able to see my screen.
Yes, it's visible, sir.
Yeah. So today we are going to discuss about the what are all the basics, like basics, how we are going to log in into the system. So while login, what are all the basic entries we are entering, and what are all those entries, and parallelly we will see the landscape. Okay. Again, we are going to discuss about the landscape at the end of the this SD course. Again, during the project implement, brief introduction about the project overview. There also we are going to again rediscuss on the landscape part, and after that we will have a uh, various navigations. Navigations means what are all the some basic settings, menus, menu bars, like so. What are all the menu main easy access screen consists of what are all the various screens, various toolbars. Okay, those kind of discussion we will see here. Okay, even though maximum of you already know about this, even though because there are some few students those are very new to this platform, so those people also they have to know what is the basic, right? So if you see, like whenever you are entering into the SAP screen, see, just I'm opening the launchpad. Let me minimize this. You have this launchpad, right? This is a SAP login launchpad. If you double click this, if you double click this, you will get this kind of screen. So if you double click this particular this server, okay, you will get this is the login screen. Okay. So in this login screen, you will have a client, and you are seeing a user ID, and you are seeing a password, and there is a login language also. In language, you can have a like various language. You can set it is a like these settings and these details will be given by the usually whenever you are going to project or any business place. All this information will be shared by the basis team. There is a technical person, technical consultant, the basis team guy. Okay, he is going to give all this information. Okay, only you have to collect the information and try to log in into the screen. Okay, what is the client? Let us go. one by one. What is the client? Client or server, both are the same terminology only. So client is a, okay. So we are talking about the client here. Client is nothing but a, okay. It is a highest level. It is a, it is a highest level in SAP system, SAP system, and where it is also a separate entity, entity within the SAP system. Okay, which mainly s- stores, okay, or it will have its own set of datas. What are all the datas? It will have master data, it will have transactional data, it will have table level data, and parallelly the customization data, customizing data. So client is a, it is a highest level in SAP system. How we in the enterprise structure? So we start with the company and company code and followed by the various org structure, right? Similarly, before starting the company in the any org structure or any enterprise structure, okay, we will have a client is a top level. Client is the utmost level. Whenever I'm going to explain the enterprise structure, na, so again I am going to show you the where client will exist. Client always it will be a top level. Okay, because whatever maybe you are going to construct your enterprise structure, all those configurational data, okay, customization data, master data, transactional data, table level data, all will be stored under each client. Client is nothing but it is a server. So we have three types of server here, three types of client. Okay, usually client is having client or server. Client or server. We have three types of clients or server. Three types. One is a here, whatever you are seeing, na development. This is one types of server. First one is development, development system or server. Okay. Second will be a quality or trust test. Both are same. Last one will be a production. Production is nothing but a live system. Production or live system. Whatever may be the day-to-day transaction will be processed by the company or business. That is a production system. So development, DEV, test, it is a QA. In short term, it is called as DEV. In short term, it is called as QA. In short term, it is called as a PROD. Okay. Usually development, whenever you are talking about the development, whenever you are talking about the development, okay, within the development, you can see you can see various again the clients. Okay, you can see various clients. Okay. So this is a development. This is a development system. System. This client number will be, okay, this is client number will be a 000. Usually this called as a golden client. Golden client. And this is a 001, sorry, 001. Okay. This is a configuration, configuration and program development system. Okay. Or client. Last one, it is a 100. It is unit and integration. Integration test. Or else some company what they do, okay, what they do, they will take development as a 100, development as a 100. Okay, where configuration and program development will be there, and program development will be there, and they will make within the development 100, so they will make another partition, that is development 2, it is maybe 110, that is for, okay, unit testing and unit testing and unit testing purpose. Think that it is only for unit testing, not for the uh, integration testing. Integration testing may be done in the quality also. Okay. So what the golden client means, it is the standard client. Okay, it's a standard client which is provided by the SAP. Okay, global SAP company. It is only for reference purpose. Whatever may be the SAP developments, right? Standard Germany, German-based company. So whatever may be the development, everything is there, na? So that will be done in the available in the golden. That will be available in the golden. With reference to the golden, so they have another client card as a configuration and program, that is 001. Usually, sometimes the basis team, they may copy the 000 or 001, whatever may be. So both are one and same only. They made like this key. So they can usually what they will do, they copy they copy this. They copy this. Okay, basis team guy will copy this. He is going to create one more server. Okay, one more server, or one more client card as a quality system. It is a quality system. Or sorry, it is called as a 001 copied and create 200. Okay, it will be created as a quality system only. Correct. Quality system. It is 200. Okay, this is 200. Okay, this is quality system. And from this quality system, they again copy this quality system. They create one more client card, one more client card production system. production system or go live or sorry, live system. Okay. So whatever may be the development system, in this development system, only the functional consultant and the technical consultant, functional consultant and the technical consultant will have the access. This will be having the access with only the technical consultant and the technical consultant. Usually this will be available with, okay, this will be available with technical technical consultant and the functional consultant will have the access. Okay. And there is no business users or end users will not have the access. This is especially the implementation team. Implementation team is nothing but those who are the SAP implementation partners, like the Infosys, TCS, Wipro, right? And PwC, EY, right? Cognizant. So those companies are the SAP implementation partners, and within those partners there is a separate two teams. One is a functional consultant, another is a technical consultant. And this is the development system. For example, think that there is a development system 001. Okay, 001 is a development system. This development system will have access with the technical and functional consultant, and you can do like functional consultant or technical consultant can do the configurations, customizations, and the program development, whatever may be the formulas like tables, any program, any logic, those kind of activity will be done in the development system. This is a development system. Whatever you are seeing now, development client, this is a development client. This will be having with the access with the functional consultant. Functional consultant is responsible for to configure and customize the business process. Configure and customize the business process. And ABAP is nothing but a technical consultant. So within the ABAP, you have a total like one basis consultant also there and separate technical programming consultant also there. They are the responsible for to give a like create a different servers and provide the various you like credentials and user settings and provide the T code access, role access. Everything will be done by the basis consultant. And parallelly, if there is any logic, if there any new program, if there any movement from the system, the new process development, right, new process development enhancement, whatever may be the technical related is there, that will be done by the ABAP consultant. And after this configuration and customization and development of the program, okay, if they wanted to test whether the customized or configured settings are everything is perfectly working or not, they can test in the development system itself with a separate client. Within the client, they are having a separate client again, 110. Okay, in that they will do the unit testing. Unit testing means it is a particular module consultant. If it is a consultant, module, consultant will do the testing. If there is a SD module, SD consultant will do the testing. And if it is a PP consultant will do the testing. Okay, those kind of unit testing, individual module functional consultant testing will be done in the development system. Okay, this is about the development system, and this will not have any access to the end users. And whatever may be the configuration customization can be done in the only development system. Okay, once it is developed, okay, once the business process and the configurations and the customization and the logic, everything has developed. Okay, as everything has developed in the development system. After the unit testing, if they found results are okay, what they will do, they move this to the quality system. How the quality system will be created? Again, they copy from the development system. The basis guy will create another server or another system or another client, that is called a quality system, by naming as a 200. Usually the client number range, one more important is client number range. Client number range will be, okay, will be start from 0002 up to 999. So they can use any three digits in between this number range. Okay. So normally in any industry or any company, what they use usually, maximum I saw, as per my experience, okay, they give 100 for the development, and they give quality for 200, and they give for production PROD, you can see the 300. That's what here I have wrote already: 100, 200, and 300. 100 for development, 200 for QA or test, and 300 for production. So once this is developed and test, everything is done, it will be transfer. Okay, there is a TMS. We called as a transfer management system. TMS is called. Okay, again I am going to explain during the enterprise structure. What is the TMS, transfer management system, is there? Okay, that I am going to explain you during the transfer management, because transport request will be created during the each configuration and customization. That pop-up will come separately. During that, I am going to explain you what is the transfer posting or transfer management system. Okay, this transfer of data from one system to another system will be done by the basis consultant, and whatever the development has done, configuration, customization has done, it will be moved to quality system. Why this quality system is required? To perform two type of testing. Okay, to perform two type of testing. One is a integration testing. Integration testing. Another is a unit testing. Or sorry, UAT testing. UAT testing. Here in quality integration testing, so integration testing means, for example, as I said, right? So there will be a post goods issue, PGI, right? And there is a billing document released to FI entries. This is a basic basic testing which we integration we will do during the OTC cycle. Basic integration we do in the OTC cycle. Here in PGI, we can see MM, SD, and FI. SD, and FI. Both will come into the picture. There is a three module will be integrated to perform PGI activity, because your inventory has to be reduced, and your inventory is having a particular cost. That cost also to be reduced in the books of account. How cost will be reduced? By again MMFI integration, and parallelly the SD, post goods issue, like inventory has to be reduced from your plant stock, and that confirms the 601 moment type. That is a again the MMSD configuration, where you will do the SD configuration in the schedule line category. You will mention the 601 moment type. So those kind of integration we will see again in the OTC cycle. Okay, these kind of testing will be done in the quality system. And once the integration testing will be done, okay, if both the consultant, like for example, both are means the functional module consultant, consultant, and SD consultant, FI consultant, if they found results are okay for the both negative and positive results, negative and positive testings, the everything is fine, then they may go for the UAT testing. So this UAT testing, UAT is nothing but a user acceptance test. Okay. Here, UAT is nothing but a user acceptance test. UAT. UAT. User acceptance test. Who is the user? Whomsoever may be the in the business team. In the business team means under the client. Client is nothing but a, for example, there is a good day manufacturing company, right? Good day biscuit manufacturing company. That manufacturing company having their own staff, right? Within the finance department, one guy. Within the sales department, another guy. And within the sales logistics department, one more guy. And within the production, there is a one more guy. So those are all the key users from the each and every department from the business side. Whenever there is a implementation project will be there, one particular core user or key user will be assigned by the business users. Okay, that good day biscuit company, they will nominate one person from the each department. So they are the key users. Key users are responsible to do the UAT testing, because they also very important to confirm on the whatever they have given for the during the business requirement gathering. During the business requirement gathering, so this key user will explain their internal business process, how the production will happens, how the sales will happens, right? How the material procurement will happens. So those kind of process will be explained to the functional consultant. Based on that explanation, he has configured, he has developed the entire configuration and customization of business process. And they also done unit testing, and they also done the integration testing. After that, they will give it to the UAT testing for the key users. Key users also do the testing. That, for example, OTC cycle is a one process. They will do the user test during OTC process. Whatever may be the positive and negative results are there, they also do the testing, and they will take the particular screenshot of each and every testing. Okay, so they will paste in the UAT form. There will be a UAT Excel sheet will be there. So what transaction code, how they processed, and what is the results, right? Positive results, negative results, whether the results are okay or not. Those kind of data will be filled in that UAT. So once everything is fine, they take the key user will take the HOD signature and the management signature, and it will given back to the again functional consultant. Once the functional consultant receives this UAT form, based on his confirmation, they move the entire program, entire development of the business process to live system with the help of basis consultant. Basis consultant is responsible to move the like management system. They do the there is a one transport number will be generated. Okay, that number they will use to move from one system to another system. That I am going to explain in the enterprise structure process. So once it is everything is fine, then they move to production system. It is a live system where the end user, like the day-to-day business transaction, will be happen in the production system. This is about the this is about the client and various system within the client. And whatever the landscape is there, na landscape is simple definition. It is the alignment or arrangement of the each system or server is called as a landscape. That's why I have written here. So it is a alignment or arrangement of the servers is called as a landscape. Any doubt, guys, in the system and all those things? I think hope maximum you are in from testing background. You know more than me.
No, sir, no doubts as of now.
Others,
Sir, so
Rajlakshmi,
it
Naresh.
this
No,
like this testing thing, it comes under implementation project or what? Like,
See, testing team usually they are not coming under implementation project. Okay, because usually what happens whenever there is a implementation project, right? It's supposed to be the testing supposed to be done by the functional consultant itself because he knows what are all the configuration he has made, right? Usually configuration and customization who will make?
Function consultant.
Functional consultant, and he knows very well key what settings he has done, what are all the configurations he has done very well, he know that is known to him,
Mm.
and he has to perform the testing itself. Even though he will do that, so some companies they keep the testing department or testing section separately because there are some audit queries or there might be some their own set of business process may be there within the organization, right? If any audit queries comes, whether this testing has been done by the only functional consultant or there might be another team, right? Those kind of cross check will happen. If anything goes wrong na, so then the entire system will collapse. Because of that, some companies they have the separate section for the testing and all those things. Some companies for the cost reduction point they might not go for the separate testing sections. And it is based on the business requirement, as I said na. So how deployment will happen, right? So big based on the cost point of view, how the business size will be. Size matters. It is a complex process is there, number of process are there, right? N number of various sales process, or within the sales process you have a various sub process. If individual consultant has to do means it is very hectic to him, right? Further, like, because one side there is a timeline of project is very important, right? So
Yeah.
you have to execute the project as per the timelines. If any delay happens now, again project manager will take a class to everyone, right? Why the speed is not there, where is the lag, what you guys are doing, those kind of problem will occur. So to meet those things now, because to fill those the gaps, so they may think for the separate section for the testing, and there might be a separate team for doing these kind of testing.
But like somebody asked in interview, like, what does it comes under? Like, there are so many SAP projects, implementation, configuration. So, which section it will come testing? Like, how we can explain?
It is a part of again the post customization and configuration.
Okay.
Okay. Within the, as I explained here, within this, so you have a development and quality, right? In
Yeah.
development, you will do the unit testing, and you will quality you will do in the integration, right?
Right.
So again, it is in between the part of unit testing and this quality system. So either you may come here also, you may come here also, because if it is integration testing, you are also part of it,
Yes.
and if it is a unit testing, you are also part of it.
Mm.
But in production, you are not at all doing the testing. Only it is a live system. Whatever the day-to-day transaction happens, here the day-to-day transaction will happen. But before moving any like process implementation to live system, you have to do all the settings closing here itself. If the test results are not good, again you will go back and again you will do the reconfiguration and customization. Then again the unit testing will happen. Again it will come to the integration testing and UAT testing. Usually that kind of question no one will ask the testing which part, and normally they will ask unit testing, integration testing, and UAT testing, because it's purely it is a organizational matters. If the size is huge and the process is huge, right? You have the timelines, then only they can go for the separate team as a testing team.
Sir, whether it is implementation, upgrade testing, upgrade project or rollout project, always quality will means like this testing will come into picture, right?
Yes, each and every like parameter, whatever may be the rollout or upgradation, anything. Usually, upgradation it is just a updating of system only, right? From one version to another version, whatever may be. So that kind of activity will be taken care by the basis team, and basis team will inform to individual functional consultant and ABM consultant what are all the changes will be there. And even though whenever they are going for the upgradation system now, so upgrading the system, they have already the all the user manuals, whatever the delta is nothing but a difference, right? So what the previous version is having, what are all the changes in the new revision of version, those kind of set of data they already readily available with them, and those testing only they do. And even though whenever you are also doing the testing, they give advance that these are all the testing has to be carried out, and you have to note down the screen capture, and those screen capture will be pasted in somewhere in the document, and you have to give for the positive and negative results, right?
Yeah.
So this is all about
Basically, it's the work of functional consultant. So, like if the project is big, so it is separated, the testing team.
correct.
Yeah.
But the testing teams, because see, even though the consultant, functional consultant also he develops in configuration or customization, he do also in like initial testing,
Mm.
but
Okay.
not directly is he developed and he configured everything and he will give it to you for the testing, right? Because
Right.
how consultant will assure himself that whether he has configured correctly or not? Simply
Correctly.
he done and he has given to you means there is no meaning, right?
Mm.
Because he has to do the testing individually, because whether the whatever his configuration settings are made properly or not. After that only he will give for the testing to you. Why again retesting will happen? Because the company's requirement, they have to check the multi-layer. It might be in some like some test may not carried out. Like you have a various fields, right? Within the OTC cycle, you do like shipping point determination, storage location determination, plant determination, right? If anything missed out from the functional consultant, then you are there for the basic checklist. You have a basic checklist, what to do, what not to do. Okay. Right, guys?
Yeah.
What do you say?
Hi, sir.
Huh?
Sir, if sometimes we'll do like minor changes, so at that time also it necessary to do this testing.
माइनर चेंजेस एग्जांपल बोलो ना, कौन सा माइनर चेंजेस करेंगे आप?
Like in customization, sometimes we'll do some minor changes there. If client, like business are ask us to do some minor changes in that.
एक बात बोलता हूं मैं
Hmm.
आपको, जब भी आप माइनर चेंजेस करोगे,
Hmm.
आपको लाइव में कैसा इंप्लीमेंट होगा?
नहीं, बट समटाइम्स क्लाइंट बोलते हैं ना कि कोई समझा कस्टमाइजेशन करने के वक्त हमें कुछ अगर बिजनेस ने बोला है कि कुछ माइनर चेंजेस करना हो, कोई टी कोड इम्प्लीमेंट करना हो तो
हाँ, जो भी इंप्लीमेंट करना हो आप डायरेक्टली लाइव सिस्टम में तो नहीं करते,
नहीं.
सो आई यू हैव टू गो फॉर द अगेन द डेवलपमेंट सिस्टम, राइट?
Hmm.
डेवलपमेंट सिस्टम से आपको लाइव को मूव करने के लिए यू हैव टू कंडक्ट टेस्टिंग। चेंजेस तो इम्प्लीमेंटेशन डायरेक्टली लाइव सिस्टम में तो नहीं होता है, राइट?
नहीं.
आप मैनेजमेंट को रिजल्ट देना ही देना है, राइट? यूएटी देना ही देना है, राइट? इंटीग्रेशन टेस्ट का रिजल्ट भी देना है, राइट? यूएटी का भी रिजल्ट देना है, राइट? देन यूनिट टेस्टिंग का भी रिजल्ट देना है। ईच एंड एवरी टेस्टिंग रिजल्ट देने के बाद ही, सबका अप्रूवल होने के बाद ही बाद में लाइव में चेंजेस मूव होता है। करेक्ट है
ओके.
ना? दिस
हाँ,
इज अ
correct.
नॉर्मल प्रोसेस, करेक्ट? इट इज अ
हाँ.
स्टैंडर्ड प्रोसेस। अगर कोई बोल दिया, आपने डायरेक्टली मूव कर दिया बोले तो किसी का कंट्रोल नहीं रहेगा ना सिस्टम पे। कल कोई बिजनेस में इम्पैक्ट हो गया लाइव सिस्टम में, हु इज द रेस्पॉन्सिबल? हु इज गोइंग टू रेस्पॉन्स ऑन दिस? तुम्हारा प्रोजेक्ट टीम, प्रोजेक्ट का मैनेजर को बम्बू गिरेगा ना, करेक्ट है ना?
हाँ करेक्ट।
तो कुछ भी हो, कस्टमाइजेशन हो या कॉन्फ़िगरेशन हो या नॉर्मल चेंजेस भी हो, आपको वो प्रोडक्शन में इम्प्लीमेंट करना बोले तो यू हैव टू गो अगेन, यू हैव टू रिसाइकल द प्रोसेस, मतलब रीप्रोसेस करना ही करना है.
मतलब होल थिंग अगर नॉर्मल वन टी कोड भी रहा तो पूरा जो प्रोसेस है वो करना ही पड़ेगा.
हाँ, because there are others adverse effect ना, whether your table is updating or not, right? जो भी tables है, particularly table related data है, whether it is updating or not. अगर table में डाटा आ रहा है तो ही आपको ट्रांजेक्शन में हिट होगा, राइट? ट्रांजेक्शन में रिफ्लेक्ट होगा.
हम्म.
टेबल में डाटा स्टोर नहीं हो रहा तो कहाँ से आपको रिट्रीव होगा डाटा?
Correct.
करेक्ट है ना?
हाँ.
ओके,
यस.
राइट. ओके, दिस इज अबाउट द main easy access screen. Okay, this is a after like logging into the screen, right? So just I am entering here. So this is a client, right? 100 for example, this is a development system. Okay, predict that this is a development system. I am entering user id and I am entering the password, right? After that there is a language selection, English normally it will be there, and these details will be given by the basis consultant. Press enter. टैपन यार, अभी तक काम कर रहा था, सडनली क्या हो गया? ओके, ठीक है. सी, दिस इज a SAP easy access screen. Okay, and this SAP easy access screen will be divided into 6 parts. Okay, 6 parts. It is divided into 6 parts. So whatever may be this this upper first one you are seeing now, this is a menu bar. Menu, edit, favorites, extras, system, help. This is a menu bar which consists of a various menu. And whatever you are seeing, this white one with right tick, this is a command bar or transaction bar. This is a command bar or transaction bar. And whatever you are seeing from here, this save button, right? Back button, right? This is a log off button. This is a cancel button. This is a print button, right? This is a find next, right? This is a first page. This is a previous page. This is a next page. This is a again last page. This is again the new window. This is a shortcut window and help and the option or settings. Whatever you are seeing these icons, this is a standard toolbar. This is a standard toolbar. And whatever you are seeing SAP Easy Access screen, SAP Easy Access title is there, na? That is a title bar. How it is title bar? For example, now I am going to enter a VA11. VA11 is the T code for to create a inquiry. Okay. So just if you enter it, see your title got changed, right? It is a create inquiry. This is a title bar. And whatever here it is you are seeing, na, this is a application toolbar. This is a application toolbar in which you will have a user menu. Okay, this is a user menu. This is a SAP menu. Standard menu provided by the SAP, and in which you have a favorite folder also. In user menu also, it is you are having a favorite folder, but this user menu will applicable for only for your user ID. See, you can see your user ID, right? This will be assigned in your particular user ID. And this will be available for entire, like whoever may be the user ID. This is a standard SAP menu. And here you will have a workplace and your favorites. Okay, again the delete favorites, again the edit, change favorite. So this is a up and down. I will show you what are the function this. Okay, and parallelly last one is this. This is a task bar or this is a task bar or message bar. This is a taskbar or manage bar, and here you can see your some various like system, client, what is the client, who is the user ID, what is the program you are like, what is the transaction code. For example, if I select user ID, if I open new window, okay, again you are seeing with the user ID only. If I am selecting here the transaction code, T code, okay, just now I am entering the VA01. You can see here T code. Again I am going to new window. Okay, again I am entering the VF05. Okay, see, you can see the new T code here. If you want to set your user ID, you can set your user ID, and whenever you are opening the new window, again you are getting a user ID only, and you can hide it, you can expand it. Okay, this is about the how to log in and how what are all the parts of the like various section of the easy access screen. And we can see some navigations so that you will understand the use of each and every section, so you can understand from the this SAP system navigations. Okay, now I want to show you how we can create our favorites. Okay, we can create our how to add and change and delete our favorites. Okay, let's go here. Let's go here. Close this, close this, close this, and this is a favorite, right? Now there is a one favorite already exist, right? This is exist. Now I am going to delete this. I want to delete this. How I have deleted? Okay, again I am going this. Okay, just select. So just select this. Okay, you can go here, you can directly delete here. Okay, or else right click, delete favorite. Select this, click on this, it will be deleted. Or select this, right click this, directly delete it. Now this is a favorite. And here also favorite is there. Here also you can use to change, delete, and whatever maybe. Now I am using this method, or you can go right click option, or you can select this also. Okay. So now I am selecting this. I am going to favorite. I am going to add. Okay. Now insert. So insert folder. Now I am adding one favorite. Okay. Let me take OTC is the process. OTC process is the folder name here. Just click on it, right click on it. Okay, insert folder. Okay, so like this you can create. Okay, again you can create report folder, sales report folder, for example, SD reports. Now OTC is comes down and SD reports comes up, right? Now I want to SD report to be bring down and OTC bring up. Okay, just go here, we select this, just click on this. See, it will come down. Again, if you want to bring OTC as a down, so you can select the OTC process and bring this. Or else if you click and if you can drop and down. Okay, see, you can use by drop and down method, or you can click on this, move from right down or move from down and move from up. You can use both this. So within this OTC, now there is no any transactions. Now I want to add the T codes. Select this, right click and insert transaction. Okay. Or else use this OTC process favorite insert transaction. Now I am adding VA11. Enter. See, T code is added. It is nothing but a create sales inquiries. Again, I am going to click on this, right click this, insert transaction. Again, I am adding VA21. See, now create sales quotation. Again, I am going to click on this, right click and insert transaction. VA01. Okay. Now again, I am going to here favorites, insert transactions, VL01 and enter. Again, OTC process favorites, insert transaction, VL02 and again go here, right click, insert transaction, VF01. This is a entire OTC process. This is again see inquiry is down, full last, quotation is next to last. Again here sales order. I want to make it sequentially. How we can make it? Again, just click this, bring this to top, or else select this, bring this to clicking on move up, move up, move up like this. Again VA01, click this and bring here. Again VL01 and bring this, click here. Again this, click here, bring this. This is a inquiry, quotation, sales or sales order creation, create outbound delivery, pick pack PGI by changing the VL0 to change outbound delivery. You can do PGI here also, you can do PGI here also. Okay. Now last is invoice creation. This is how about to we can create the our own favorite folders. Clear? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay,
No, sir.
no problem. See now here you are seeing the T code name also, T code details also with the description of the T code, right? You are getting the T code details with the description. How I want to how I want to disappear these technical names. I want only the name should reflect and technical name should not be there. Where is the setting? Go to extras. Okay. Go to settings. Go to extras. Go to settings. Here there is a option display technical names. If you take this, it is disabled. It is disabled. And if you click this again, if you go here, see there is no technical names. Whenever you are seeing these kind of issues now, so if you are facing I am not able to see my T codes here, only inquiry is there, only quotation is there, only name it is coming, create is there, what to be create, whether it is a quotation, whether it is a sales order, how you come to know? If you have proper T code, right, you know what are all the T codes will be used, then only you will get an idea. So you have to always, it should be settings, it should be enabled, then only you can able to see the T codes here, right? See, clear? And this is
Yes, sir.
this is also very important. Whenever you you made expanded, okay, you all expanded. So for example, you are this also expanded, this also expanded, this also expanded. So some users, they do what they do, again they go this, again they do collapse, they do collapse. Instead of doing multiple collapse, simply press here. It is directly going to collapse. Clear?
Yeah.
One more settings. So if you go here, settings, extras and settings, here, if I want to see my this favorite folder below the SAP menu. Okay, now SAP menu in second, favorite is in first. I want to see favorite at end of the SAP menu. Just select it, click this. See, favorite comes down, SAP menu comes up. Now I want it to be again favorite should be up first. So again favorite should be up. Extras settings. Now see, I don't want to see the SAP menu. I only want favorites. Select this, continues. See, SAP menu gone. Only you can able to see only favorites. If this kind of issues you find in your login system in your business place, na, so you can do the settings like this. Go to extras and settings. See, you can able to see which one is enabled and which one is disabled. Go there and select this. And last, in settings, you are having a do not display picture. Which picture? This waves, blue waves, water waves. If you select this, you can hide the picture. If you want the picture again, you can select this. You can see this. I think most of the guys this knows settings, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, right. Now one more important. Whenever I am logging in, okay. Now I will do log off. Now I am logging in again. Go here. At the rate. See, once I log in, I'm jumping directly to SAP Easy Access menu. Now, I want to make a such a setting. Whenever I log in, I want to jump into my inquiry creation screen. I don't want to see this screen, or I want to see my billing report. I want to see my daily sales report. Okay, how you can do the settings? Go to extras. Okay, set start transaction, enter your T code, which screen you want to see whenever you log in into the screen. So just VF051, it is a billing document list of billing documents, enter. So now I have made the settings, transaction VF051 set as a start transaction. Now I am again logging off. Okay. So now I am going to log in again. Enter your user ID, password, enter. See where you are. You are into VF05N screen, right? This is the list of billing documents. This is how you can set your initial transaction code. Set start transaction code. If you don't want it, go here, delete here, set here. Definition of start transaction, reset. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now display technical name transition is over. Okay. And how to set transition is over. Now download and upload favorites. Okay. This is very important. One more thing. So someone who is having a very good knowledge of SAP and he is having expertise in the SAP transactions and all those some navigation systems and all those things. For example, saying that Kishore is a very good having expertise in the SAP. Okay. Whereas someone saying that Akash or someone is not having a good expertise in SAP. And when he saw the Kishore's login screen, he found like that oh, he has made very beautiful favorites. Okay, he has done very beautiful favorites. Now, like Akash is asking, "Arey, Kishore, I want your setting to be copied to my system, my login also." Right? How that will be achieved? How that will be achieved? Go to here, go to your favorite. Okay. So this is a thing that this is a Kishore's user ID. Kishore's user ID, and he had made this favorite. I am downloading his favorite to my to Kishore's
Yes.
PC. Kishore's PC. This is Kishore's PC. Okay. Just save anywhere in this. Okay. Just save. I'm saving anywhere here. Okay. Just I'm giving random. Okay. Kishore favorite. Save this. Allow this. Now if I go here, docs, see this is a file. What Kishore will do? Kishore will send a mail, okay, to Akash by attaching this. By attaching this file. Once a receipt of mail by the Akash, Akash will save this folder in his system. Think that this is a Akash system now. Okay, he has saved the file. Okay, now I'm going to delete this favorite. I'm going to delete this favorite. I'm going to delete this favorite. Okay. Now favorite has been gone. Okay. So this is a again think that this is a Akash system, Akash login ID. Okay. What he will do? He will directly go to favorite, upload from PC. Click on this. Kishore. Open. Allow. Done. Finished. He got within a fraction of seconds. No need to manually manage all those things. This will be useful for end users whenever they do the various transaction, or even though maybe consultant also it will be useful because he might be set his own favorites, right? Such kind of favorites, if you want, similar to other user also, you can manage by using download and upload from PC option. Clear, guys?
Yes.
Okay. And this variant I will show you in the last of this today's sessions. Let us go for the screen design and screen design part. So screen design part. So if you see here, this is a customized local layout. Okay. Just click on this. Here you can see the options. So in the options, you have two. One is a visual and another is a interaction. If you go for visual, you can have a theme settings. Whatever this theme you are seeing in the backend, this theme is there. This is a quads signature SAP signature theme. I want to change it to the quads. Okay, just I want to change it to the quads. So just select that quads, apply this. Okay, okay this, then log off. Okay, again logging in. See your initial like credential screen, user ID password screen itself it changed, right?
Mm.
Just enter your user ID and password, enter. See the screen itself it's changed. Earlier you are seeing here execute button, here see execute button is in bottom. Again I want to change it to initial screen. Again go here more, select this option, visual design, theme setting, go to SAP signature theme, apply, okay, log off, login. See, again change to initial one.
Sir, we should prefer Quartz theme, right? As it is similar to a Fury screen.
Yes, yes. Normally now after Fiori use na, so everyone is preferable to go for the
Quartz theme.
Quartz theme because it is having similar option. No,
Yeah, sometimes
actually,
what
you
happen,
see,
we get confused.
that is preferable and recommendable also. But normally, those who are using ECC, na, right? ECC is having almost all this screen only because in ECC there is no Fiori, right?
Yeah,
So they are preferring to go with this screen only.
okay.
So because why I am explaining here means someone because whenever they get the server access now, someone may get that screen or someone may get this screen. You should not be surprised. अरे सर ने बोल के नहीं दिया मेरे को डिफरेंट ही दिख रहा है. करेक्ट है ना. वो शॉक तो होते
Yeah,
रहता है. ऐसा तो बहुत सारे मतलब ग्रुप में मैसेज आते रहता है अरे मेरे को ये स्क्रीन दिख रहा है ये स्क्रीन नहीं दिख रहा है.
yeah,
So if I inform in advance now so that they can easily understand, oh, this is a setting of this. I can go to this path and I can change the settings. Okay. Next, the theme settings is done. Then go to the color and this thing. Okay. So now I want to change the color setting. Okay. Now it is a red. Okay. I want to see the green. You can see green. Okay. Now it is red. Whenever you do the setting now, you have to log off always because after logging off only the setting will be affected or implemented. Again login, see automatically it changed to green. See, it's green. Again font. Now font, I want to change the font size, okay, to 20. You will get very bigger. See, so much of big. See, this much big you can see. Again, you can do the font setting whatever you want. Okay, just I am using 10 on them. These are all the basic settings, and those who are freshers, okay, so you can refer this and practice. Those who are already experienced, no need to tell. Okay, they can do the setting from their own end. Okay, font settings, you drop down list. Another is very important. Here the technical name within the screen is one thing. Okay, another thing is very important. If you go for the BP transaction code, okay, if you go for the BP transaction code, see you are seeing the drop down list here and you are seeing the drop down list here, and you are whenever you click on the organization, most importantly here only, I am getting lot of questions or doubts from here itself. Sir, whenever I press a BP role, I am not getting these technical names. Whatever you are seeing technical names, na 0000, right? FLCU 01, right? FLCU, for example, FLCU 01, FLCU 00. And whenever I go to grouping, you have created grouping, BP grouping and customer account group. So I'm not seeing my BP grouping, just only name it is coming. So whenever you find this kind of issues, na, just remember maximum peoples you may get this problem. You may face this problem, and even though in the BP and even though in the customer master also. Okay, even though in customer master also. MM01. See here, industry 0, 1, 2, 3. This is technical names, right? ABP, FERT. These are all the technical names. If I doesn't want to see those technical names, where is the settings? Okay, where is the settings? Here, go here, options. Okay, options. Minimize this interaction design. Okay, visualization one. Show keys within the drop down list. Show keys within the drop down list. If you untick this, okay, if you untick this, apply this, okay, this, see, you cannot see any technical names here. Again, I will open the BP also, I will show you. BP, enter, organization, see, gone. Double, triple, zero, triple, zero, gone. FLCU, 00, gone. And here also you cannot see any technical names, only descriptions. If you find this, guys, don't worry, you can go here, okay, again visualization, select this, apply this, okay, this, you will get all the details. See, clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I think this one you maximum people they knows, right?
Yeah.
Hmm. Okay, and functionality of search, this also it is related to the variant screen. It is related to the reports. I will show you during the report. Now let us jump into the functionality of sessions. /o, /n, /ne, and /nex. Okay. Let me go to the window. Okay. See, whenever you want to open one more window, now think that see there is only one SAP Easy Access screen. If I want to open one more new window, SAP Easy Access screen, I can click on this. This is one option. Or else, if you click this /o, if you click on enter, you will get this pop-up. Just to create this thing, you will get another sessions. See, earlier one, after pressing that this icon, you get second one. Now you are getting third one by using /o. Right? Again, I am pressing this. Again, I am clicking on this. Again, create. You will get another. Now it becomes 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now, if I want to go to particular T code, VA01, enter. This is a transaction code. Now I don't want to come this screen, so I want to use this screen. I want to go back to my initial screen. If I go, you go back, so you can go to the easy access screen, or else again you go enter. Okay, instead of using this back button, if you press /n, you will your current screen will be terminated and you will be in easy access screen. Or else, if you want to open this VA01, okay, and in this screen only you want to directly jump, instead of easy access screen, you want to jump into the new T code /n VL01N. Okay, you can directly jump into the VL01N. If you directly enter VA01, Anna, so then it will not allow because it will throw an error. Always use /n is to go to the next screen by terminating the existing screen, and you can use your T code VF01. This is a building screen, directly going to the building screen. /n or /o. If you enter /o with VA01, it will be opened in the new window. You want the same, this T code should be used in same screen, means you have to use /n. If you want new window and this screen also you want, means you have to go for the /o. Sorry, /o VF01. See, this screen also there and this screen also there. Okay, this is the functionality of the /o and /n. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 screens are there. Okay, I wanted to directly exit from the all screen. I wanted to directly terminate all the screen. I want to log off directly. You can use /NEX. Enter. See, all windows gone, all screens are gone, only directly this SAP login screen it is there. If you double click this again, you can log in. You can use the password to log in again. Enter. That is the functionality of /NEX. Now you have opened so many windows. Okay, think that key there might be some chances of some thing forget to save or anything. Okay, in that case, what you have to do? Better you should use NEND /n end. Okay, then it will ask if you press enter, na, it will ask whether unsaved data will be lost. Do you want to log off or not? It means it is taking confirmation to whether you can log off or not. If you log off, all screen will be gone. So if you get this pop-up now, better you can go to the other screens and you can check whatever may be the pending task is there or not. So in that scenario, you can use this T code and you can, if everything is completed in other screen, you can go for the yes, then log off. This is the functionality of the /n/end. Clear? This is about the functionality of the sessions. Okay. Now, functionality of message. Message means what? So whenever you are doing the transactions, you are getting a this icon with message, this icon with message, and this icon also with message. Okay. Just I'm showing you. I'm going to VA01. It is a sales order creation screen. Now I'm entering the order type. I'm entering my sales area. Just press enter. Okay. Now I'm nothing inputting here. Just I'm pressing the enter. Just observe in this task bar or message bar, you will get a some message. Press enter. See what it is showing. Please enter sold to party or ship to party. This red circle with the exclamatory center in the center of the circle is called as a warning error message. This is a error message. What it indicates? What indicates error message cannot be bypassed. Means this is must I have to enter, without which I cannot proceed further steps. We cannot bypass it. We have to mandatorily fill that data. So now it is asking, okay, now again I am pressing enter, again it is showing, it is not allowing to my next screen or next step. So now just I am inputting the customer code. Okay, just press enter. Okay, this is a separate setting, so I will discuss during the business partner. I have selected my shift party. Now you are getting again different message. What is that? Yellow triangle with the exclamatory sentence in the middle. What it indicates? This indicates a warning message. Yellow triangle with the exclamatory sentence, which is nothing but a warning message. It is saying that key you have to decide and you can bypass it. What it indicates? What it indicates? Whether this customer reference, enter customer reference, it is nothing but a here, the customer reference is there. So you have to enter. It is informing me to enter this customer reference. And this is a warning message. I can take a call whether I can enter it or I can bypass it. Now I am not entering. Okay, I am bypassing. System will allow. See, system is allowing. So it is jumping into the next material screen. I am entering the material here. I am entering the quantity here. Enter. Okay. This is about the warning message. Now I am going to here edit, just checking the incompletion log. See, there is a one incompletion log is there. Customer reference is not maintained. This is again, it is asking me to enter the customer reference. This is again incompletion log procedure. Okay. I am going to explain you during the incompletion log or incompletion procedure. It is asking me to provide the customer reference number, but system is allowed to create. Even though I am going to save it, it will be saved. It will be saved. See, again, it is showing document is incomplete, whether you would like to save it or not. If I say yes, it will be allowed. This is called as a green, right? Square with right tick mark in the middle. What it indicates? It is indicating that key confirmation as okay to proceed further transaction. Okay, this is a confirmation. Document is confirmed and my sales order has been created with 112 document number. If I am going to create a delivery document /n VL01N with the for the 112 sale order, 112 is the sale order, and this is my shipping point. If I press enter, see, if I press enter, check, it is indicating the check the notes in the log. It is informing a one small message confirmation okay to proceed for further confirmation, further transaction. It is asking me to go to the log, where we can see go to log, edit, or go to, sorry, edit error log, edit error log. Check this error log. See, outbound deliveries on back order, clicking check shipping details, and it is showing some error. Something is missed. Something is missed. And incompleteness, whatever incompleteness is there now, so that we can see here. Let me enter. Okay, let me enter it. Picking 10. Enter. Okay. Edit error log. Check shipping deadline. Okay. Again, go to save this. Delivery has been saved. Okay, click enter. See, it is showing now delivery has been created. But now there is a one information message, because why this is coming? I have maintained incomplete data in my order. What is that? No delivery relevant item in order 112. Okay, order type. So if I go here, order type again, -n VA02, enter, enter. See, it is automatically taken, because this is a setting in the, again in the order type VOV8. During that time, I am going to explain. Okay, don't worry on this part. Now just remember that key, what are all the important message type you have in the SAP within the documents. One is a red, another is a yellow, another is a green. If you get this is mandatorily you have to maintain. If you get yellow, you can bypass and you can go proceed for the further transaction. If you are getting this, you can, it is confirmed that the document is okay, you can further proceed for the further transaction. This is about the message type. Okay. Now let us go to the report part. We can see the report settings. We have a various reports in the SD. Okay. Various report in the SD. So what are all the reports? We have a VA05, list of sales order, right? And we have a VL0 /n VL05 VL05N VL05N sorry, VL06. Okay, this is a delivery monitor. And one more thing is VF05N. VF05N is it is a billing report. Okay, this is a billing report. And here we can see VL06N, VL06N. We can see the VL06. we can see the delivery. See, if I want to see the what are all the deliveries which is pending for goods issue, I can see from here this report. Okay. If I want to see the what are all the deliveries which is pending for the picking, we can see from here. If picking is pending, I can enter my shipping point. Okay, I can execute here. Okay, there is no any picking is pending. Okay, these are all the reports. Okay, one is a VA05, another is a VL06, another is a VF05N. VF05N. This is a reports. Okay, now within this report, there is a I want to download the Excel file of this report. Okay, I want to download the Excel file of report. How to download it? For example, I am just executing randomly. Okay, this is the report. I am not entering anywhere here. Okay, I am not entering anything here. Just selected open billing documents and completed billing documents also. Just executing here. This is a billing report. Okay, this is a billing report. I want to convert this into Excel sheet. I want to save this report into my desktop. Just click on this icon. Okay, just closing back. Just click on this local file option. Okay, then spreadsheet, continue. Okay, then it is asking you can enter your own file name, right? Billing report, export to, and you want to save anywhere, like I am saving again here only. Save it, allow it, allow it. See, your report has been downloaded to that your local file. This is how about to how about your report can be downloaded from the system. Okay, now I want to change the layout. I want to change the layout. So now I'm seeing my billing type will be first and sold to party in the second, payer in the third. Now I want to billing date should be come first. You can option having the drop and pick and drop. Just pick it and drop here. Okay. Again, your sales organization should be in second. Just pick it and drop. Otherwise, you can have another option. Go here, change layout. Go here, change layout. Click on this change layout. This is a change. Okay, this is a select. This is a save. These three icon you are seeing now tiles. So this will be a related to the reports. Changing the layout settings of the reports. See here, change layout. Okay, now I have selected billing date as a first. Because of that, it is showing billing date as a first. Now I want to bring it to the here. Okay, now just click it. I want to bring this down. Okay, click here, click here, click here. Okay, now I want to bring my sales organization down. Okay, here. Or otherwise you can bring tax amount, it is bottom. Okay, I want to bring it to directly at top. How you can bring? Select this, select this. Again here, drop down also it has to come. Why it is not coming, I don't know. Pick and drop has to come. There should be some issue. No problem. Again, I want to bring down tax amount to bottom also. This you can be done in this option also. Okay, just continue. See, it is directly applied, right? Again, I want to hide something. I don't want billing time type to be reflected in the report. Just select this, bring to right. Okay, and now pay and created by. I don't want this created by. Bring this continuous. Now you can see the billing type and who is that? What is that? Created by. Created by means here. These two will be disappeared. Okay, see, gone. It is gone. If you want to hide from here itself, just select this, right click, hide. Again select 3 4, hide. Again check this, see, Almost all the whatever hidden is there, the list will be comes at in the right side. Again, select all. Okay, select all. Click here. Control, control, control. Click, control, click, control, click, control. Move to right. Move to left. Then adapt. See, this is how about to hide and bring the columns into the reports. And one more important, one more important, if you want to apply the summation, for example, here you are the net value I am bringing last, and tax amount also I am bringing last, currency also I am bringing here. Okay, if I want to apply the summation, I am selecting both. Okay, I am selecting both. I am scrolling down, just observe at the bottom. Okay, click on summation. See, sum can be come directly. Okay, now if I want to make it to sort, sort based on my sales organization. Okay, based on my sales organization or based on my customer, I can sort. See, sort. I have sorted, right? I can sort even though sales organization also. See, sales organization. If you want to apply the subtotal based on your particular sales organization, how you can achieve it? Just click on the layout. Okay, click on the layout. Click on the layout where it is there. Okay, okay, here sales. Okay, I want to apply the subtotal here. Just select it. Okay, here right click here, subtotals. See, subtotals can be applied from by clicking on the right button. Just I am applying sub click on the sort to party. Just select it, subtotal. I can do the subtotal. I can see the subtotal based on my customer. This customer is having a this much of outstanding or this much of billing value. Okay. This is about the subtotal. How we can bring the subtotal into the picture. Now I want to collapse this entire. Okay, I want to collapse this and I want to apply the subtotal to my sales organization. Again, I want to collapse this. I don't want to see this. Hide. I don't want to see this. Hide. Okay. Now I want to see only ARPH sales organization list. This is the individual list. This kind of layout setting you can do, and you can save your layout. For example, I am saving this layout whenever I am executing it. Now I am saving this layout in this. Okay, for example, think that key I will save another report, or for example, 1 minute, just go back, execute it. Okay, save this. I am using the same layout only. I am saving my this layout. Okay, go back, execute. Okay, whenever I select this, so this is a select layout. This second icon is there now. This is a select layout. See, if I select this layout, this whatever the saved layout is there, here it will reflect. Just select, it will be applied. For example, now I am selecting this. Okay, just bring it here, bring it here, and I am sorting this. Okay, I am applying the summation of these two. Okay, just applied, and I am selecting the subtotal also. Okay, so subtotal. Now I am saving this saved layout. Okay, save layout. Okay, overwriting. Okay, overwriting done. Go back. Whenever you execute, so normal layout will come. If you want to select your layout, just select this, click on this. See, you are getting your layout. If you want to make this as a default layout. If you want to make this as a default layout, go to save layout, click on the default, continue. Yes. Again, go back, again execute. See, defaultly this will come. This is how about the layout setting. This is how about the layout setting. Okay. And uh, today, one more last I want to explain you, because already 10 minutes we exceeded. Okay. Can anyone tell me how many T codes are there in SAP system? Including all modules, including Z codes, even the whatever may be. Can anyone tell me how many T codes are there? How to check that?
No idea.
Others, if someone asks, if someone asks, how many T codes are there in SAP system, in your SAP system? For example, you are working in some business place. Okay. How to check how many numbers of T codes are there in your system? No idea?
No, sir.
No, sir.
चलो चलो, कोई बात नहीं है, मैं बताऊंगा. So you know how to see the tables, right? By using a SE16N. SE16N. This is the table, right? So just enter the table name as TSTC. TSTC. Write down, guys. Somewhere, if you are having a book or notebook pen, just note down this TSTC. Press enter. See what you are seeing, the details. SAP transaction codes. SAP transaction codes. Now, if I select this number of entries means number of T codes which exist in the this server. If I click this, see 1,72,182 T codes are there. How many? 1,72,182 T codes are available in this server or in this system. Okay. If I execute by maintaining only 500, see here only 500 is there. If I execute it, only I can able to see only here 500. See number of hits, how many it is showing? Only 500. Now I want to bring that one, say 1,72,000 plus the whatever it was shown. Na? So I have to delete this maximum number of hits 500. Just click on the refresh. Click on the refresh. See 1,72,182. Clear? See, already it is showing too many lines may result in memory overflow, because such huge data it is there. This many data has been stored in the SAP tables. This is the functionality of the SAP. I think in any company, if they ask how many T codes are there, so now you are capable, you are able to answer for this question, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Great. So you can see your T codes, no problem. VA01, right? VA01. If you want entire word, continue. It will directly go to VA01. Close this. See VA01. Right? Create sales order. Okay, guys. Tomorrow I will be explaining this create variant screen. Okay, and how to know the product signed versions within the SAP system. So with this entire this SAP system navigation is going to complete. Only two are pending. One is a variant, another is a product signed versions. Any doubt? If you have any doubt, please feel free to ask.
Sir, will you be covering the different kinds of project we have in SAP, like greenfield implementation, brownfield implementation, or rollout, or that kind of thing?
See, I clearly mentioned in the beginning itself. So, whatever I have mentioned in the topics, right, course content, okay, just that is a overview of the project. Overview of the project in the sense ki what are all the types of project we have, okay, and what are all the in each project, what are all the features are there, what they are doing during the particular project. Either it may be a green field, either it may be a right rollout, right, upgradation, whatever may be, or conversion. So that functionality I'm going to explain, and how many phases are there, and what are all the phases, and what is the role in each phases.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, if time permits, okay, if time permits, if possible, I'm going to explain you one, two RISFW concept. Okay, because it is a very simple, and even though whenever they ask in the interviews, okay, what are all the RISFW concept you have done in your project means you have to say one is a reports part, another is a smart farm part. Okay, smart farm means print part. Okay, what is your role, what you have done, okay, what the FSD document, functional specification document, how you have written in the during the project, that I am going to explain you, because that is a very easy to understand and easy to give the answer during the interview also. If you take enhancement, right, enhancement, and again the like interface part, that is again very big. Even though interface also I am going to explain you, that is not a big deal. If you take enhancement now, again it is a vast subject which is not going to cover in this,
Okay.
because that is not part of my even the course content also I am going to guide you, because so you want to like successfully achieve your target. I am helping you additionally. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
Any doubt, guys?
No, sir.
Other
No, sir.
friends?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Try to practice. Okay. Try to go through the video. Okay. After like 1 hour, 2 hour, 2 hour. Okay. I'm going to upload this. Just go through it and practice. And practicing, you need a server, right? You should have a server access and all those things.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so server is required. Okay, my request you all like team members. So as per our discussion, initial discussion, okay, you have to pay a 50% advance fee so that I can talk to the server provider. Okay, to give to create and separate credentials. Okay, and parallelly the servers will be and credential will be issued to you.
Do we need to do payment on that number only, right?
Yeah, I will communicate in the group. Huh?
Okay, yeah. Okay, sir.
Okay. Apart from this, any doubt? Because better you can start by taking the server, even though not by tomorrow. Also, day after tomorrow, it is must required, because I am going to explain you enterprise structure. Tomorrow it might be a definition part. I may go to complete. Okay, assignment part, it is very within a 10 to 20 minutes it is going to complete. But once assignment is done na, so you have to create your own architecture, and you can build your own company, sales and distribution organization, everything you have to create in the system, without which you cannot able to practice. Now also, if this basic navigation settings, if you want to practice, you must require the access, and access will be provided for 3 months. Okay, once it is going to be expired, again you can top up by again by paying the like again the extra month access fee.
Sure.
Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you. Chalo, bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye bye. Mani?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Mani? Mani ಇದೆಯಾ?
Sir, it is.
Hello.
ಮಣಿ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಮಣಿ
ಹಾ
ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಇದೀನ್ ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಅಚ್ಚಾ ನಾಗೇಶ್.
Yes, sir, it is, sir.
ಹಾ ಹೆಂಗಪ್ಪ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆನಾ?
ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್. ಹಾ ಸರ್ ಅರ್ಥ
Okay.
ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಸರ್.
ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳಿ. ಓಕೆನೆ, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೆಪರೇಟ್ಲಿ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಯಾಟರ್ಡೆ ಸಂಡೇ ಫ್ರೀ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ. ಸ್ಯಾಟರ್ಡೆ ಸಂಡೇ ಫ್ರೀ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಕೇಳಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಬಟ್
ಓಕೆ.
ಡೋಂಟ್ like don't misutilize yourself. You have to utilize the right time at the okay
ಓಕೆ.
Yes, sir.
ರೈಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಯುಟಿಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ರೈಟ್ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯುಟಿಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ if I am going to keep on explaining the new things, if you are not understanding, even though do not hesitate, whether it may be a silly question or it may be a complicated questions, you have to raise
Okay.
whatever doubt is there, because you are a fresher. You have to
Yeah,
explain, sir, I am a fresher, I don't know anything ABCD of the SAP.
Yeah, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you have all rights to raise a questions. If you raise questions, I'm very happy. I'm very happy to explain you. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಒಂದು ಕರಿಯರ್ಗೆ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ನೀವು ಈಗಲ್ಲ, ನಾಳೆ ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ಜಾಬ್ ತಗೊಂತೀರಲ್ಲ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಹಿಡಿಯೋರು ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ನೀವ್ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ ಲೈಫ್ ನೀವೇ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಳಕ್ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಹಂಗಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನೀವು ಫ್ರೆಶರ್ಸ್, ನೀವು ಬೇಗ ಜಂಪ್ ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ನಿಮ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಸುಚಿತಾ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸುಚಿತಾ ಹೇಳಿ.
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
ಸೊ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ವಾಚ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್
Yes,
ಅಂಡ್
sir.
ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ ಅಂತೇಳಿ.
ಸರಿ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆನಾ? ಏನೇ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ರು ಅವಾಗಿಂದ ಹೋಗ್ಲೇ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಅಥವಾ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸೆಪರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವು ಮೂವರು ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಇಡು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ. ಸೊ whenever I feel free, so again I'm going to explain you the concepts.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
But understanding practice is very important.
ಸರಿ.
And ನಿಮಗೆ ಸರ್ವರ್ ಆಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಹಾ
ಓಕೆ,
ಸರ್.
ಸರ್ವರ್ ಆಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು. ಸೊ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಪೇ at least 50% advance fee.
Okay.
Then I will ask the server provider to give the credentials.
Sir, ಅದು ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್
ಆಯ್ತು.
ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
ಹಾ, ನಾನು ನಂದು ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ
ಸರಿ.
ಟು ದಟ್ ಐದರ್ ಯು ಮೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಫೋನ್ ಪೇ, ಗೂಗಲ್ ಪೇ, ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ, and
Okay.
even online
Okay,
banking
sir.
also. You try to transfer 10K first.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
Okay.
ಆ ಸರ್ವರ್ ಸಲಕಂತ ಮತ್ತೆ ಪೇ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ.
ಸರ್ವರ್ ಸಲಗೆ ಪೇ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಆ 10K ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ ನಲ್ಲೇ ಸರ್ವರ್ ಪೇ ನ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಫೀ ಬಂದು 20K. ಓಕೆ,
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ.
Yes,
25 ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಐ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ 5,000 ಟು ಆಲ್.
ಓಕೆ.
sir.
Okay, for you guys also and everyone also, it is same as 20K only. Okay, within
Yes,
the
sir.
20K, server fee is also covered.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
Okay,
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು
so
ಸರ್.
because of all other team members there, na, so they
Huh.
requested to reduce 5,000.
ಓಕೆ.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so
ಹಾ.
I reduced
ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ
5,000.
ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಪೈಲ ಮಾಡಿದವ್ರು ಇದ್ದಾರ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಸರ್.
Sir, experience ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಿಡೇಟ್ ಇದಾರೆ ಸರ್ ಅವರು.
ಯಾರು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅವರು ಬಂದು ಟೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ನವ್ರು. ಅವರು
ಹೌದಾ?
ಟೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ನವ್ರು, ಅವರು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಹೌದೌದು.
ಸೊ ದೇ ಡೂ ದ ಟೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮೋರ್ ಓವರ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ನನ್ನ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋರು ಬಹಳ ಜನ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ನನ್ನ
ಹೌದು ಸರ್.
ಜೊತೆ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಇದಾರಲ್ಲ, ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋರೇ ಇದಾರ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಅವರು ಹೊರಗಡೆನೂ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರಿಗೆ
ಸರ್.
ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಫೀಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಟಾಪಿಕ್ಸ್ ಕವರ್ ಆಗೋದು ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ.
ಹೌದೌದು.
ಸೊ ಹಂಗಾಗಿ ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಜನ ಸೇರಕ್ ಕಾರಣ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ, ಒಂದು ನಂದು ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್,
ಹಾ
quality of explaining the each and every concept,
ಯಾ
and I am covering all the topics with very less cost.
ಯಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಅದೇ ನೀವು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಕೇಳ್ರಿ, ನಿಮಗೆ 35-40,000 ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾರು ತಗೊಳಲ್ಲ.
ಸರಿ ಸರ್, ಅದು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೆ.
ನೀವು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ತಂದ್ರು ನೀವು ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಂದ್ 2 ಕ್ಲಾಸು. ಸೊ ನೀವು 2-3 ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಫೀಸ್ ಕಟ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ. ನೀವು ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಡೀಪ್ ಯಾರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೋ ವಿತ್ ದಮ್, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್.
ಹಾಗೇನಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಇಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರನೇ ಕೇಳ್ತೇವೆ.
ಹಾ, ಸೊ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀನ, ನನ್ನ ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಒನ್ಸ್
ಹಾ.
ಯು ಎನ್ರೋಲ್ ಟು ಮೈ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಎನ್ರೋಲ್ ಆದ್ರೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಹೊಸ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ನಡೀತಿದ್ರು ಯು ಆರ್ ಎಲಿಜಿಬಲ್ ಟು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಎನಿ ಅಡಿಷನಲ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್.
ರೀಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
You can recap your sessions, you can refresh, you can again like become an expertise. Okay.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್.
ಇವತ್ತೆಲ್ಲ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ಹೆಂಗ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ,
ಸರ್ ಅದು
ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ಹಾ,
ಅದು
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ
ಬರ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ.
ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ನೀವು
ಹಾ,
ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡಿ ಸ್ಲೋ ಆಗಿ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಈಚ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು, ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಗಳು ಬರೀಬೇಕು.
ಹಾ ಹಾ
ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆನಾ?
ಓಕೆ.
ನಿಮಗ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗತ್ತೆ, ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ದಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ.
ಹಾ ಸರ್, ಈಗ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅದಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್.
ಓಕೆನಾ? ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸುಚಿತಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಅಂಡ್ ಇನ್ನು ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಇದ್ರೆ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಈಗಲೇ ಹೇಳಿ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾಳೆಯಿಂದ ಏನ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಎಂಟರ್ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್.
ಓಕೆ. ಬಾಯ್ ಸರ್.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ಗೌಡ್ರೆ,
ಹಾ ರೀ,
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತೀರಿ?
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ನಾಳೆ ಫೀಸ್ ಕಟ್ಟೋದು, ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ತಂದು ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನಿಂಬಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋರು.
ಅವ್ರ ಹಾಕ್ಲಿ.
ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಹೇಳು, ನಾ ಕೇಳತ್ತೀನಿ.
ನಾ ಹೇಳತ್ತಿದ ತಂಗಿ ಅದೇ ಅವ್ರು ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗ್ಯಾರ. ಇಟ್ಟತನ ನಾನೇ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ, ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೊಸ ಮಂದಿ ಇಟ್ಟತನ ನಾನೇ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ.
ನಾ ಕೇಳಿನಣ್ಣ, ಮಸ್ತ್ ಹೇಳಿ ನೋಡಣ್ಣ ನೀ.
ಸರಿ
ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರ
ಇಲ್ರಿ,
ಅವ್ ಏನೇನ್ ಬರ್ದ್ರಿ ಒಟ್ಟು ಫೋಟೋ ಹೊಡ್ದಾಕ್ರಿ.
ಹಾ ರೀ. ಹ್ಞೂ
ಹಾ,
ಡನ್.
ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ಬಾಯ್.
ಬಾಯ್.
ಗುಡ್ ನೈಟ್.
ಗುಡ್ ನೈಟ್.
ತಂಗಿ ಆರಾಮಾಗಿದಲ್ರಿ?